What if I told you you can eat these delicious vanilla donuts every day and stay healthy? Start with 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of oat flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 packet of PureTrim's vanilla shake. Go ahead and mix all of these dry ingredients together, and we're gonna move on to the wet ingredients, which is 2 egg whites, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 tablespoons of raw honey, and half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix all of these wet ingredients together and then slowly mix your dry ingredients in with your wet ingredients. Once you've mixed it thoroughly, you're gonna move them into a piping bag and fill up your donut pan. After you fill your donut pan completely, you're going to pop these in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. After 15 minutes, you're gonna remove them from the oven and let them cool while we work on the frosting. The frosting is super easy. It's just 1 can of organic coconut cream and 1 packet of PureTrim's vanilla shake. You're just gonna mix these together with a mixer until you reach the consistency you want, and then throw this in a piping bag as well and frost your donuts to your liking. Seriously, so delicious and an easy way to have a sweet treat without falling off of your health goals. Head over to puretrim.com to grab your PureTrim shakes today.